Hey folks, welcome back to another Espresso Tech Shorts video. This is just a little series we're going to do on some drink recipes, some tips and tricks, just help you make better coffees at home. The first one we're going to do today is going to be the Americano. This one's dead simple. The story goes that in World War II, the Italian soldiers would add hot water with espresso to make the beverage more similar to the drip coffee that Americans were used to at home. It's a nice story. It's not likely true, as espresso wasn't really widespread until after the Second World War. But nonetheless, what you're going to want to do is just grab a cup, fill it with some hot water. And it doesn't actually matter what order you do this in, but you do want, if you want to look nice like they do in the Caffe, you're definitely going to want the hot water first so you can, what's called float the shot on top. Just get that layer of crema sitting on top of your beverage. It's very pretty. So we're going to pull a shot right now. If you need some tips and tricks on how to do that, we do have a whole video up on how to make espresso at home, little 10-step guide that covers all of the sort of essentials. So at this point you have two options. I got my shot waiting in the machine. It's pre-infusing right now. You could either pour it directly onto the coffee, or you can pour it into a shot glass and then onto the coffee. The choice is yours. I think whatever works best for the style of coffee you make at home. You know, if you use a scale and you're weighing things, it's generally easier to do that with a shot glass. If you're just kind of eyeballing it, go right onto the cup. Why not? We're going to be doing it into a shot glass. I'm going to show you how to pour it onto the top. Okay, so here we are. We have our shot ready. Cup of hot water. What you're going to want to do is grab it by the handle, because the bottom is very hot. I like to hold it in my left hand, matter of preference. Grab your shot glass, and you're just going to almost dip the edge into the water to try and layer it on top. So we're going to go like this, and pull out very gently, and then you have that nice layer of crema sitting on top of your drink, and serve like so.